Who's in line for me? What do you want for Christmas, sir? What do you want? Whoa. And how much do those cost? What else can make
a computer?
Yeah.
Get your finger off me.
No, don't leave. Attack.
Attack what? She's fake?
Huh?
She's fake? And she's fake, yeah? Yeah, she's fake. Look, this is the fake bell.
That's a real bell.
You're fake. You don't have any candy canes, do you?